tingtang arab baje get cold feet tadi get cold feet ni maksudnya de lose confidence or courage tadi mai ba khadung ni takna chanchian ko kumata antang ni mai ba khadung kam ko dak khadung ni takna amiga ba kam rang ko ba khadung an ko gemata jajringa khadung an ko gemata ko na cingen get cold feet lose confidence or courage tadi ancing ko nias kana I was going to propose but I got cold feet at the last minute tadi mai takna I was going to propose anga bina antang ni kasani ko parak na kata anga siya cem di ba jen somoyo parak na siya hon anga tangara khadung an kon gemata ha pajaha ngaba when I was going to propose her but I got cold feet at the last moment ba minute ko na cinga tam ngeje bon kam gaba somoyo anga antang ni khadung an kon gemata anga ko antang ni kasani ko parak na siya cem di bon kam gaba somoyo anga antang ni khadung an kon gemata han gaba dan sing thong nias kana hold your horse